Hey guys, it's Chris from Chris and Cami Photography here. Just got a quick short video for you. I've had a lot of my friends talking about how crazy the graphics are on some of the CB500Xs. The 2013 I think is actually really nice. The graphics are understated and cool. You can see the X is in a kind of a nice little pattern there. But I will say that the Honda logo looks very out of place. I don't know who the graphic designers are for these guys, but it just kind of sticks up there kind of weird. And so for a cleaner, cooler look, ta-da, the Honda logo is gone.
Here we go again. I demand more!
So here in the south, actually the coolest part is it's so hot and humid in August that I was able to remove the other one without doing any heat. I just left the motorcycle sitting in the sun for an hour, and then I was able to fairly easily get the corner lid popped open and then peel away the entire logo. Today is a little bit cooler, so I've brought with me our trusty little fake heat. So I'm going to use a little hair dryer and just heat it up a little bit more, and then you'll see how easy it is to peel off the rest of that sticker. So there you have it, and you can see actually the areas where I was pulling too fast. You can see little stripes of residue left behind. That's where I got a little too excited. But if you go real slow, then you'll get it off completely clean, as you can see through here. But next step is to clean up the rest of that residue. So you may remember in one of my other videos we used a Goof Off, this little product right here, to remove the yellow writing on one of the tool tubes. Remember the little video with the tool tubes that we had in the back. So I'm going to actually use that same product to remove the sticky residue. Just like magic, all the sticky residue is gone. Looks like it never was there. I'll wash the bike after this is done just to get rid of all of the solvent and whatever residue is left behind by the Goof Off, but that does it. 5-minute job and you're clean. So there you have it, folks. That's the quick and easy way to get rid of any crazy stickers on your bike that you think are messing it up and making it look uncool. All right, talk to you next time. Wait. Fast forward a couple of months and I decided I didn't really care for the blank, empty look of not having a logo at all. So I custom designed my own cool little logo that I think is way better than the one the Honda factory came up with. What do you think? Am I overstepping my bounds a little bit? I know the CB500X is definitely not an Africa Twin, but I was born and raised in Africa, so I like that word, I like that name. And it is a twin cylinder with half the displacement, 500cc instead of 1000cc, that the Africa Twin comes with. So it's kind of a mini Africa Twin adventure bike sort of thing. I don't know. Am I overstepping my bounds a little bit? Leave some comments below and let me know what you think, if that's a cool little sticker or not. If not, you know, I'll take it off. I obviously know how to take stickers off. So anyway, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel. We love seeing new people jump in and join us on our YouTube adventure. I'll talk to you guys next time.